So here we've got the fuel filter for the diesel Toyota Hiace 2006-2012. So the clip is in the middle seat, so you loosen that clip, and then there's another lever, the yellow lever, that you pull to the side to lift up the seat to get access to the engine. So it's pretty heavy, but you can lift it up and then with one arm hold it and then latch on with the other. So the latch is there, it's like a plastic latch that latches onto the side of the car. So now you've got access to the fuel filter. So to detach that, you use a pair of pliers, and there's a clasp that you pull together, and then you pull down, and then you'll be able to pull off the outlet fuel line. So you pull it off like that, pull it down, and then underneath the chassis, and you can just leave it hanging there. So now you've got the inlet, and so same thing, you just loosen that with the clasp, and then you can pull out the fuel filter to get better grip and better access to it all. So now you've got better access to it, you can pull off the inlet tube and then take off the little plug there. There's one on the right. So you take that plug off, and then the one on the left, and that's the last of the plugs. So now you've got access to the whole fuel filter. You're able to unwind it there with the clasp. So you just undo that, and that lifts right off. And then you've got access to the old fuel filter, and you can see there's like some patches there that are pretty dirty, and then some areas where you can see that it's just built up a bit of muck. So now we put in the new fuel filter, and the same as you undid it, you do it up the same way. So just with a clockwise formation, you just tighten it up and make sure that the hoses are lining up all with the plugs at the bottom, so that when you plug it in, and the hoses are all at the same spot and the right spot for you. So there we go, you just plug it back up together. So that's the left hand plug. Now we're doing the left hand side hose, and you're pushing that back in.
And then we'll grab the pliers, and we'll push the clip together and then pull it up and tighten it. Make sure it's nice and snug. So now we're doing the right hand side clip, and clip that in, and then the inlet hose on the right hand side. So we'll slide that back over, making sure it's nice and snug all the way to the top, and then we're going to use the pliers to pull up the clip and tighten that. So now we're putting it back in its bracket so that it doesn't wobble around anywhere or move anywhere. And finally, at the top there's a pumping priming button that you push in, and you push that in until it goes nice and firm. So now that's all done, you can close up, finish up, put the seat back into place, and then start it up. Now this might take a few goes just because it needs to prime and build up the pressure back into the fuel pump and the fuel filter. So here you're just going to give it a bit of a pump with the throttle, and then usually within the second go it's up and going. So thanks for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.